Hello everyone, and welcome to the Wolf again. And today this will be a quick short video on the trade update on Stellar that we took about 10 days ago. I know it's a long trade because that's why it is called a swing trade. We capture big swing moves. And what is happening on the Stellar's price? The trade that we took, is it going in our favor or against? What is happening and what to do next? So I will tell everything in today's video, so stay tuned. Coming to the Stellar's daily time frame chart, and this is a very important video because I will not only talk about the one asset that is Stellar that we took trade on, but it is very important to learn how to manage your trades while they are running. See, trading is not about a profit or loss, it is mainly about how to handle your trade while the price is moving against or in favor of you. So I will tell you that only. So 10 days ago we took a trade here, and after that we can clearly see the price of Stellar incessantly went to the upside. Sure, many people will be saying that it is immensely important for the price to halt between, or there are chances that the bears can now get stimulated and the price can reverse from here. So let me tell you that it is very important that before entering a trade you decide your take profit and your stop loss, and then do not change it. Let it be fixed right here. So you will exit the trade on three reasons. First, your take profit will be entered. Second, your stop loss will get entered. Or third, you will manually exit the trade if the circumstances are different there. So right now, as you all know, my stop loss was here at 0.1054, but after a huge move to the upside, I switched my stop loss from here to above here. Now what is this called? Well, this is called as trailing your trade. Trailing your trade means that you are continuously moving your stop loss higher and higher above the price. So you can clearly see right now the current price is somewhere over here and my stop loss is here and my take profit is here. So if the price gets a reversal from here also, still my stop loss will get activated, and I will still book $3,000 approx profits. I will show you just in a second on Bybit. And if my take profit gets triggered, then easily I will make $22,000 in profits with $10,000 investment. So right now this is how you manage your trade. Let it run, because the level that I have chose here, the take profit, I know this is a very important level, and the Stellar's price will come here. Not today, not tomorrow, but it will definitely come. That's why I am holding my winning trades. So yeah, I will patiently wait till here only. I don't care if the price consolidates or moves to the downside, because as I told you, if the price reverses to the downside and comes till here, then also I will book $3,000 profit and exit. So this is how you all should manage your trade. Okay, so guys, right now I'm on the Bybit official app. If you want to trade any crypto, Stellar, Bitcoin, Ethereum, any crypto you want, you can do that on Bybit. You can create an account on Bybit for free with the link in the description. And with the link in the description, if you create an account, you can get up to $30,000 for free deposit bonus. So do create an account. The link will be at the top of the comment box and at the top of the description as well. So I know many people will notice that I am trading demo. Yes guys, I am trading demo because right now I am not having any money to trade, but that doesn't mean that I am just putting some insane amount of money and trading with that. No, I am trading with a money that I know that in the initial phase will be required for me to trade, and I am managing my account pretty well. If you are watching my previous videos, I hope you know that. So this is my Stellar trade right now. $15,000 in profits, 140% here. as you can clearly see our entry price and right now the mark price. And if I show you my take profit, you can clearly see this is my take profit, and if it gets triggered then $21,000 profits. And let me show you my stop loss. See, my stop loss is here 0.1155, and if my stop loss also gets triggered, still I will make $3,500 in profits. So this is how you should manage your trade pretty well. So right now I'm in a position that in any of the ways I exit the market with profit only. So this is how you should trade. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand that how to manage your trades and what to do in future with this Stellar's trade. Should you hold it or not? And if you want to trade any crypto, you can do that on Bybit. Create an account for free. Link is in the description. See you guys next time.